Hello, my little friends. Welcome back to our online class. This is Pinky Ma'am here. Children, today we all are going to learn about some more birds. So, children, let's begin. Children, this is a pigeon. It is so beautiful, isn't it? Yes. Children, we often keep them at our homes. Look at its eyes. They are orange in color. They have beautiful feathers. We can find them in different colors. It has a small beak. They eat grains, seeds, fruits, berries, insects, etc. Look at this bird, children. This is a sparrow. They are small birds with a small beak. They are identified by their small size. Even though they are small, they have big feet. They have beautiful voices, round heads, and rounded wings. They also eat seeds, berries, etc. Children, I am sure that all of you know very well that this is a crow. They are large birds with shiny black feather. They have loud voices and are found everywhere. Also, they have large black colored beak. They eat seeds, worms, fruits, etc. Children, look at this bird. The name of this bird is Myna. Myna birds have black heads and brown bodies and wings with white patches. They can also copy the noises like parrots. Their beak and feet both are in bright yellow-orange color. They eat wide variety of fruits and other small animals. So children, let's recall the names of the birds what we have learned in our previous class and in today's class. They are eagle, vulture, parrot, owl, pigeon, sparrow, crow, and myna. Children, please answer my two questions. They are: which bird has the shiny black colored feather all over the body? And which bird can copy the noises like parrots? Children, see you soon in our next class. Tata, bye bye. Thank you, everybody.